I want to start out with a tiny discussion that doesn't count against my time. I want to talk about this guy Pinchas, okay? That's our reading. You picked up last week the tail end of the reading. We talked a little bit, they talked a little bit about what Israel was doing. They were chasing after the Baals, which happens to be a subject we're going to be talking about later. And Pinchas did something pretty fantastic. So, the zeal of Pinchas towards Yahweh. In Numbers 25, 7 through 8, you go up a little ways, it tells you of the actions of Aaron's grandson, Pinchas. Okay, the guy's the grandson. Now, what he did is these two, this Israel man and Midianite woman, they go and they literally are desecrating the temple. They're going in there and they're doing stuff. Well, he takes a spear and skewers them. He skewers them both. The Israel man's name was Zimri, and the Midianite woman's name was Cosbi. So it's interesting that they didn't just say the Israelite man and the Midianite woman. They actually named them. So here's the deal. Numbers 25, 10, and 11. This is what you are reading in your Bible right now. And Yahweh spoke to Moshe, saying, Pinchas, son of Eleazar, son of Aharon the priest, has turned back my wrath from the children of Israel, because he skewered those people, okay? Because he was ardent with my ardor, zeal is a better word, because I can pronounce it, in their midst, so that I did not consume the children of Israel in my ardor. Yahweh was going to end them right then and there, because they were chasing after other gods. And Pinchas stopped it. Now that's what you read in the English. This is what it looks like in the Torah scroll over there. Now the top line reads, Vayadaber Yahweh al Moshe lemor, Pinchas ben Eleazar ben Aharon, and then it goes on. Now look at the sixth word from the right, this way. Do you see that little letter? It's a yud, and it's smaller than all the rest of the yuds that are on that page. It's a smaller letter. It's a tittle, all right? Here's a little better picture of that line of text, and that's the yud. Here's the deal. This is why it's a smaller letter. This is the second time that Pinchas appears in the Torah scroll. The yud is smaller than all the rest of the letters. It shows that Pinchas did not act out of his own glory and for his own, hey, look at me, man, I'm a big dude. He was actually acting in great humility for the zeal of Yahweh's word. Yahweh said, y'all don't be doing that stuff. They were doing it, and in that zeal, he skewered them. But he did it in such a way that he's a humble man. Okay, that's about Pinchas. Pinchas had a great zeal for Yahweh. Pinchas stopped the plague by his zeal. Otherwise, they'd all be gone. Pinchas was a humble man, and Pinchas received a forever covenant of peace. His family will forever have the covenant of peace, and we see that way later with Zadok. All right? That was free, and it's not counted against my time. I'm